Okay, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Los coming at y'all with another video, man. In this video, we're gonna be breaking down a trade that happened on Friday. My exact strategy. It played out, the whole setup. It played out on Friday. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and act like I took this trade. I did it because I wasn't on the charts. And the only reason why I wasn't on the charts is because I was basically looking for my setup the whole week. The markets was, I ain't gonna say it was choppy, but the markets just weren't, my setup wasn't playing out the way that I like it. Now this setup right here that I'm about to show y'all, I would have went full leverage. I'm talking about max leverage. Like setups like this, bro, like you gotta go all in. Well, you ain't gotta go all in, but I'm going all in because I'm a risk taker. And I'm confident in this setup, and I want y'all to see how accurate this strategy is, how pinpoint the entries is. Like I want y'all to see y'all like, if you ain't seen my previous video breaking down this same exact strategy, make sure y'all go check this out. But man, if I was on the charts on Friday, max leverage on this trade right here. But we finna go ahead and break down the whole strategy, man. Show y'all what basically we would have been looking at. Okay, so basically, man, we come and sit down at the chart at 8:30. So we're gonna rewind this to 8:30 this Friday, March 14th. All right, cool. So look, what do we got? First off, we always mark the previous high, previous low from the previous two trading days. So horizontal ray, we got this high in session on Thursday. So template, previous day high. Then we got this low down here. We got this low down here. Template, previous day low. All right, cool. We go to Wednesday. We see what's going on. We got this previous day low in session, so we're gonna mark this as 2 PDL. Hold on. Templates, the second previous day low. Then we go all the way up here. We got this right here. That's this 2 PDH, the second previous day high. All right, cool. We got all that marked out. Let's go in, go back to Friday. Okay, now we always want to start off on our higher time frames just to see what's going on, get a market direction, like get a bias basically. So let's go ahead and start off on the weekly. On the weekly, we really don't got too much. We see that we in an uptrend. Just because we in an uptrend on the higher time frames, that don't automatically mean that we looking for buys. Let y'all know that right now. I had a problem understanding that when I first started trading. Just because you in the uptrend on the higher time frames, that don't mean you looking for buys. Just because you in the downtrend on the higher time frames, that don't mean you looking for sales. Because everything that we catching is intraday. We looking on the smaller time frames, trying to catch smaller moves. We ain't looking for the big moves like on this weekly. We ain't looking for all that shit. So, alright, so look, I don't see nothing on the weekly. I don't see nothing on the weekly thing for real besides a weekly demand. So we're gonna go down to the daily. On the daily, what can we see? I can see right here, we kind of coming off of this daily demand right here. We got a daily demand right here. You see we came down, now we got this big move up. So I'm gonna mark this. I'm gonna delete it later though. I'm just trying to give y'all a representation of the strategy. Okay, boom, came up, had this big move off the daily demand. It came up, came back down. And you see this is also a daily demand right here. So look, daily demand template. So you can see we came up, we tapped that daily demand perfect. Now we got another big move up. Now it looks like we trying to, find another retracement back down. So let's see what's going on. Let's go to the 4 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour, we got the same thing. Basically coming off of this 4 hour demand right here. Yeah, see, we didn't even want to close below that. So we had a 4 hour demand right here. Had this big move up. Retraced back down, as you can see, once again, came back Came past the 4-hour demand, touched the daily demand. Okay, cool. Another big move up. Another big move up. Now, once again, looks like we finding some type of retracement. We got to fill this void. We got to fill this whole void. Let me see. Let me see if there's anything else I'm missing. That's pretty much it. I don't really see too much going on. I just see this 4-hour demand. Yeah, it ain't too much more on the 4-hour chart. We're gonna go down to the 1 hour. We don't make this more complicated than what it is, man. If you don't see nothing right off the bat, more than likely there ain't really nothing up. So boom, we got this right here. We got this 1 hour demand. Had this big move up. As y'all can see right here, bingo. This is a clear indication that we want to sell off. We got a 1 hour demand in confluence with a previous day high. Y'all see we had this 1 hour demand. We had this push down, a strong push down. Came back up, touched that 1 hour demand, 1 hour supply and previous day high to the pip. Now we have another strong move down. Came back up. Pretty much came into this 1 hour supply zone right here. Now again, another strong move down, as y'all can see. We got this void to fill. We got this void to fill. So, from my understanding, man, we looking for shorts right now. We're looking for shorts. We're looking for sales. Let me see something. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't see nothing on the 1 hour. Let's go to the 15-minute. So y'all can see, man, the more that we break this down from time frame to time frame, we get a better understanding of what's going on. We don't just trade off of one. We just don't trade off of one. Ooh, perfect. We don't trade off of one time frame. 4 hour supply right here. Y'all see this. Had this green candle, had this big move down. We had this big move down. So look, I'm going to show y'all something. This is where the salts come in. 4 hour supply. Came down. Came back up. We touched it so perfect. We touched that 4 hour supply so perfect. Now we having another move down. Y'all can see we got this whole void to fill. We got this whole area to correct and fill. So down to the, man, let me see. It might be something over this way though. Okay, perfect. We got a 15-minute demand. So template, 15-minute demand. All right, cool. So, man, we looking for a demand zone. Honestly, hold on, fuck all that. Honestly, let's go down to the 5-minute. Let's see what's going on. All right. So look, like I said, when we come down and sit down at the chart, it's usually around 8:30. So I got to rewind it to 8:30. I can see that we clearly in the downtrend. I can see that. I'll be looking for price to break this low right here, close below it, have a retracement off a supply area, and then look for some sales. So that's what we're gonna look for right now. We're gonna play. Like I said, right now we don't really see too much going on. I mean, we do. Matter of fact, we can mark this. I can say this. We got a 5-minute supply. Homie calling me. He got to wait. We got a 5-minute supply. Let me go to the 15-minute. Man, we can mark this. Yeah, we can mark this. But the thing about this supply zone right here is we only want to take this. We only want to take this supply zone if, let me go to 1 minute, see if it's one of confluence. And we got a 1 minute. 1 minute right there. Boom. Alright, so boom, we got all time frames in confluence. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute. Let's go back to the 5-minute. We only want to take this supply zone if we see a break of structure. So we want price to close below this low right here. Close below this low right here. And then come back up, tap into this zone, and then sell off again. So that's the only way we want to take this supply zone. So let's play. See what happens. Boom. Boom. Okay. So look. You can see price never came back into this zone. We did end up closing below this low. So clearly we looking for sales. clearly we looking for a demand zone. Honestly, the first target for price always gonna be a previous day low. So we're gonna look for this to be the first target for price right here. We did create a supply zone right here. This was the supply zone that actually broke structure to the downside and broke below this low. So we can use this as the first. We're gonna use this as the 5-minute supply. Let me go on 15 minutes, see if we got one in confluence. 5-minute and 15-minute. I mean, shit, they arm in arm. So don't do this. I always do this. 5-minute / 15-minute supply. Let me go to 1 minute. We got a 1 minute up here, but honestly, we got a 1 minute supply up here. But honestly, I'm gonna use this as the entry, just because it's only what 3 pips apart. So just in case price don't come back up here, we got in right here. So we can go back to the 5-minute. We can see this is liquidity right here. This first tap back in, let me draw. This wick back right here, this is liquidity. So it came back in. We're looking for price to come back up, touch this supply zone, and shoot back down. So once price sweep this liquidity, that's another confirmation for me to enter this trade. So let's see what happened. Going back down. Okay, boom, right there. So honestly, oh shoot, let me delete that. We could have did something like this. Had a 8 pip stop loss above this high right here, and went for a 1 or 2. Me, I want a 1 or 3. I like to close at 1 or 3. So me, I'm taking price right here. If you want to take price of that first target, you could have went down to this previous day low right here. But let's see what happened. Boom. A+ trade right there. Swept all this liquidity right here. We swept all this liquidity. Touched our 5-minute and 15-minute supply to the pip. Bro, no drawdown. We had this 8 pip stop loss, but price ain't going to no drawdown. None. Basically gave over. We went down 20. Let's see what happened. Oh, we missed that target right there by we missed that target by like a pip. But y'all see how accurate this strategy is. This price probably gonna come back down. It's probably gonna touch this supply zone right here and shoot back down. I should have been on the charts Friday. This would have been a max leverage trade right here. Like all in, all or nothing. Like I'm talking turning 2,500 into 12,000 in about an hour. Like, but hey man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all understand this strategy, seeing how precise it is, seeing how precise the entry is. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and I'm out.